Good evening, students. Today we will discuss about the functional group. It is related to the chemistry class 10. Carbon and its compound. Functional group. Functional group means atom or group of atom will decide the property of any compound, and it may be different types. Suppose this is OH, or you can write O single bond H. This is called alcohol. And when we write the name of the compound, we add at the last ol, ol. Or you can say at suffix position you have to add ol. Suppose you are writing any formula, CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH2 single bond OH. So this is your functional group. This is alcohol functional group is present here, and there are 1, 2 and 3 carbons. So for the name of this compound, these 3 carbons, this means prop, attached with single bond, that is N, and functional group, that is OH, or you can say alcohol, that you should add all at suffix. This means 1 dash all. Another example, see here, of this functional group. This is CH3 single bond CH single bond OH single bond CH2 single bond CH3. So this is your functional group, alcohol, and there are 4 carbon. We have to number the carbons: 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 carbon means but, and single bond means ane, and C, the functional group OH, that means all, is attached at 2 number carbon. So butane 2 all. Now we are moving towards the next type of functional group. Next functional group is aldehyde. Single bond C H O, or you can write like this: 3 H double bond O. This is called aldehyde group, and we add, when we write the name of any compound containing functional group aldehyde, we should add Al at suffix position. That means after the root word. So I'm giving one example. This is CH3 CH2 single bond C double bond O single bond H. You must know this is your functional group aldehyde. It contains 1 carbon also, and this carbon should be numbered when you are going to call the name. That means you should give number 1 here, then 2, then 3. That means there are 3 carbons, including the functional group's carbon. So 3 carbon means propane, because of single bond present between the carbons. And for aldehyde group, CHO group, we should write L at 1 number carbon, so propane 1L. Similarly, another example, 3, CH3, single bond CH2, single bond CH2, CH2, single bond CHO. This is your functional group. You should write the number from this group carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there are 5 carbons. That means pent, single bond N, and 1 L for the aldehyde functional group. Moving towards the next group, that is called ketone. Ketone group. This is little different with aldehyde group. How you will justify this is aldehyde or ketone? Ketone means single bond C, double bond O, and single bond. But in both the bonds, it is compulsory that carbon should be attached. There should not be hydrogen in these places. Hydrogen should not be here, or hydrogen should not be here. You can attach only carbon in these positions. Then only it will be the ketone. So, if ketone is present in an organic compound, so we will call the name one, O-N-E, at suffix position. How you will write the name? See the example here. CH3, single bond CH2, single bond C, double bond O, and single bond CH3. See here, this is the ketone group, because here carbon is attached and here also carbon is attached. And how we will write the number? So we will start from the terminal, that means from the corner. This is 1, this is 2, 3, and 4. So there are 4 carbon. 4 carbon means but, N, and ketone group at the carbon number 2. So 2-one. Dear student, you must know ketone group will never be at carbon number 1. If any C double bond O group is present and you are feeling it is number 1, so it is not ketone. It may be aldehyde. So now your question, you have to write the comments and answer. Thus, what is this? CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond O, single bond H. Either it is aldehyde or ketone, and another H, single bond C, double bond O, single bond H. And you have to write IUPAC name of these 2 compounds on your comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.